because there are too many people and most of them are armed. Crosby tries to protest, but the Wolf King tells him to obey the rules, so he is the only one that crosses the gate. Before leaving with Nurse, he gifts his son his ring in case he doesn't make it. Now all the Wolf King's men are locked behind the gates. Everest uses the chance to take Morgan out of the building after she swears she won't tell anyone about the hotel. They come across Sherman in the hallway, who immediately realizes Morgan is a cop thanks to her boots, but he only makes a sarcastic comment about it and lets them leave without raising alarm. While Nice puts a bomb she had hidden in her fake cigarette pack on the generator, Nurse takes care of the Wolf King's wounds, which were caused, according to him, by a beautiful young woman. Being under the effect of the medicine causes the Wolf King to slip and mention some lie he told Nurse and her son's name, which he shouldn't know because she never mentioned it to him. She calls Everest through the walkie-talkie and talks to Morgan, who tries to reassure her that her son's death was not her fault. After reminiscing about the old days, she hangs up and goes to talk to the Wolf King, who is waking up under the effect of the extra drugs she has injected him with. Now his tongue is loose, the Wolf King finally confesses Nurse's son didn't Odette. Being thrown in the sea was the punishment for stealing the Wolf King's car. The police report had been faked by the cops after he paid them to do so. This incident is what allowed him to find Nurse and give her a new job after she had lost her will to live. As Los Angeles is put under curfew and lockdown, Sherman goes to check on his brother only to find he has injected himself with the nurse's narcotics, confirming he is still an addict. Sherman tells him they need to leave while putting the chip he stole from Acapulco in the 3D printer to create a gun. However, Lev doesn't want to leave since he is sure he won't make it, but he does think Sherman should save himself. Morgan manages to leave the building safely as Nurse raises a scalpel with the intention of killing the Wolf King, and Acapulco wakes up to receive his helicopter, but they are both interrupted by the bomb finally going off and cutting all power. The helicopter leaves without picking up Acapulco, who is now furious and wants to kill Nice for setting up the bomb by using a 3D printed gun he had hidden in his bag. Meanwhile, Nurse forgets about her revenge in order to go check on Lev, who has lost his life